Turn the machine on for the test. When the machine starts, it will prompt you to perform an initial, one-time calibration. Press the OC button to open the tray. Place the empty plate on the tray and press the OC button again. The initial calibration is now complete. The machine is now ready to use. To start a test, you place the egg on the weight and press the start button. The weight will be measured and the tray will open. Break the egg onto the plate and rotate it so that the long tail of the egg white faces toward the unit. Then press the OC button. The machine measures yolk color, egg weight, Haugh units and USDA grade. The results will be displayed on the screen. Finally, press the stop button to complete the test. All results are displayed on the screen, printed out, and saved in the machine's memory. You can later download the data to your PC. For working with a PC and software, refer to page 21 of our operator's manual. For setting up Wi-Fi communication, refer to page 30 of our operator's manual.